Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC. I'm with the Kyosho beetle. I'm going to do a GPS speed test. I put a redcat racing 550 17 turn crawler motor in there because all of regular 540s seem to run hot, so I figured a 550 will make it run cooler. We're going to GPS that. I got it on 2S LiPo. Let me show you real quick. There it is, 2S LiPo, and we got the bike GPS ready to go. So I'm going to put it together and hit the drag strip and see how fast she is. I'm not worried about super speed with this one. I'm just worried about it running cool because the motor always runs hot. Let's go. ShenRC drag strip GPS test. Alright, you ready guys? Let's see how much power she got on startup. Oh, she does wheelies. Oh, I'm gonna go nice and far with it. See what she does. Not that bad. Whoa, bug almost hitting a bug. Let me go one more pass with it. Ooh, this thing's twitchy. Twitchy steering on this sucker. Oh, here comes a guy on a motorbike. Alright, let's see what she got. Wow. That's really good. 24.3 miles an hour. Alright guys, if you like that speed run from the redcat crawler 17 turn 550 motor, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think. I think these motors are great on high geared cars that make the motors run hot. You put these 550s in them, gives more power and torque, they run cooler. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate you all. Please leave a like, a comment, any questions you have, I'll try to answer them. Thanks as always. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And ShenRC, I'll see you next time. Then I'll have another run video to see how hot this motor gets. See you guys.